All right, let's look at the homework 3.4, problem number 10. All right, it said this: a home gardener estimates that the 17 apple trees will have an average yield of 94 apples per tree. But because of the size of the garden, for each additional tree planted, the yield will decrease by 2 apples per tree. Right? So then how many additional trees should be planted to maximize the total yield of apples? Right? So let's do that. Right? So let's see. So I'm gonna use let x be the number of additional trees. How's that? All right. And then, so let's see. So the number of tree, the total number of tree would be 17 plus x. Right? 17 plus x. All right. So if you have 6 additional trees, then we're going to get 94 minus decreased by 2. So it's going to be minus 2x apples per tree, right? So if you multiply these together, you get the total number of apples. So I'm going to call it apple function. A of x is equal to that guy right there. Right? So let's go ahead and take the derivative. I'm going to go ahead and use the product rule. A prime of x is equal to, right, derivative of the first guy is negative 2 times the second guy is 17 plus x, and plus first guy is 94 minus 2x, and the derivative of the second guy is going to be just 1. Alright, then I'm going to just distribute negative 2 to 17 and x. We're going to get, let's see, negative 34 minus 2x plus 94 minus 2x. Right? So this is equal to, right, negative 34 plus 94 would be, let's see, 60. Minus 2x and the 2x, so it's going to be minus 4x. Right? We set that equal to 0 to find the critical number. So this is going to be equal to, let's see, I'm going to subtract 60 from both sides. So it's negative 4x is equal to negative 60. And then I can divide it through by negative 4. So we have x is equal to 15. Right? So 15 additional trees would be the ideal. So I'm going to say 15 additional trees. And part B, actually, I'm going to go ahead and check the answer first. All right, we got part A correctly. Then part B, what is the maximal yield? So the number of total number of apples would be, we can just compute A of 15, right? So this is going to be 94 minus 2 times 15 is 30, and times 17 plus 15, right? So this is going to be equal to, so 94 minus 30 is 64, multiplied by, it's going to be 32, right? So 64 times 32 would be 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, so it's 1, 9 here. So 8, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 plus 9 is 0, so it's 2048. Right, so let's type it in, 2048, right? Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.